December 10, 2022. I can only offer you the rain. Ching. What can you offer our what can you offer our viewers? Hey, not much. Oh, raining. Rain God is helping my plants. All I can show you, this is the guava tree next door. Nobody eats guavas except me, so I've got heaps for myself once it's ready. Look at it. Wow, I'm supposed to attend Carol's by Candlelight tonight. I'm not sure if it's happening now. Hopefully if the rain stops, then I can go and join. Rain, don't go away. We need you. I don't have to water my plants. It's really hot. Look at my kamunggay. Beautiful, precious kamunggay. Okay, that's the sausages. Pork sausages. Just gonna put it there. Sausages and 180 degrees. 180 and 15 minutes. All right. Starting. And I'm going to check it in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Google, stop. I'm checking it. Flipping it. Flipping. Okay. Stop. I will be preparing Inapay today. So I have a sweet potato leaf, or we call it galay. I have shallots. And I have ginger or luya, tomato, and onion. Done. Wow, that's ready. Cook some chips. I'll cook it for 20 minutes on 180 degrees. Okay. All right. Ching. Okay. 20 minutes for the chips. Now let's cook salmon. And my rice is cooking. Chips still cooking. Sausage is ready. Checking our chips. And just back. just ready. That's ready for my husband. That's Inapay rice, basmati rice and salmon. Let's eat. Bon appetit for me. Guys, I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm just home. So it doesn't make sense why I'll be wearing makeup. And I just finished cooking my my dinner. It's around 5:45. Yeah, I have to eat early. Then I can finish editing early. You know how it is with Vlogmas, day by day. I didn't have anything in advance, like shooting in advance. Yum. Lami. Sweet potato leaves is really yummy. Comment down below, do you also eat early dinner, or yeah, what time do you normally eat dinner? My husband's not here. He's at the neighbor's house. He'll be home soon. I just have to eat ahead, then I can edit this.
Joseph would know he had to go back there.
Yes, no more rain, and there's carols by candlelight.
So that they could be comforted. Again. Who is alive from everlasting away in a manger. And then we'll sing straight after that the first Noel. Right before them.
Thank you.
And heavenly
Will that fit
angel
me?
glowing with the glory of
Thank
God
you.
standing
Merry
right
Christmas.
there before them.
I'll give this to my niece.
Now I can imagine them at the sight
Someone's
tumbling back
giving
from
me
where
a
they
glow
were,
stick.
trembling. It can't be a dream because we all see this same vision. Wrapped in cloth,
That's
lying in a manger.
Snapshots of the day. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification.